Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is the Hitachi washing machine. C9 error code showing. If it is C9, there is door lock. So we have to remove. There are four screws. This is the door lock. So we have to open this, and we need to change this the door lock. There are two screws. We have to remove, and this is the door lock. There are two screws. We have to remove the screws. This is the new door switch. It's very easy. We'll fix, then video will be back. So after we fix, finally we test is there showing or not error code. So alhamdulillah, this error code has been disappeared. So it's working fine. So now we test the speed mode. So alhamdulillah, it's working very good. Customer is very happy. Everything is working perfect. So dear viewers, it was problem only this door lock. So if it is C9, so you can change it.